Today unboxing is on the Tomica 50th Anniversary History Collection, and that's the Volume 1, which features the Toyota 2000 GT that is based on 1970 to 79. Just like the previous Vol.1 series, which I'll do a video very soon, Tomica will release a casting every 2 months, and this month is the new arrival, the Nissan Silvia, while this 2000 GT was released back in Feb. Box size is very tall than your usual Tomica. You can see it's cooperated by Tohan. Tohan is a publishing company in Japan, and it's very interesting that this casting will only be sold at bookstores and not at hobby shops or departmental stores in Japan. When you flip open the cover just like a book, you can see the 50th anniversary poster. This poster is now everywhere in Japan in billboard, banners, etc. Also include is a short bio of the 2000 GT in Japanese. And I think this is a very bad year for Tomica 50th anniversary celebration for very obvious reason. First impression is a very expected casting. What I'm really impressed as always is the beautiful paint job on the body. You can see the red is just like the Tomica logo. Comes with standard factory suspension, opening doors for both sides. Really like the details on the casting, is very refined. Painted rear, such as the rear lights and the exhaust, and also the evergreen standard button wheels, which Tomica used since day one. The 2000 GT is considered as a national treasure in Japan and is even displayed at the Toyota Museum in Odaiba. Although the 2000 GT is no stranger to collectors, it's an awesome casting, especially if you love Japanese nostalgic car, and it will definitely be a great addition to your Tomica collection. New features will be up next week for the April release, and remember to subscribe to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section. Thanks everyone, bye!